everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and soup season is still upon us and I got another one for you. Not only is it perfect for winter, but all the spices we got will really warm you up. So let's make some spicy red pepper soup. Let's get into it. Let's first roughly chop 1 yellow onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Put a large pot onto the stove and heat up some olive oil. Add the onion and garlic and saute for 5 to 10 minutes on medium-high until the onion is translucent. While that's cooking, let's chop up a carrot and 6 red bell peppers. Make sure you get those membranes out of there. Add the carrot and peppers to the pot. Season this up with some salt and pepper, dried oregano, and some cayenne pepper. I'm also going to throw in this bonus ingredient, dried red chili peppers. I'm going to crack these open and knock out some of their seeds before adding them to the pot. Continue to cook for 10 to 15 minutes, letting the peppers sweat out their liquid and get all squishy. Now add in 4 cups of veggie broth and cover with a lid. Bring the heat down to low and simmer the soup for 30 minutes. It's blender time. Grab your blender and start spooning in the soup mix. There's too much soup to do it all at once, so work in batches to fully blend the soup into a smooth liquid. Pour the smooth stuff into a new pot and finish up the blending. Now's the time to do some taste tests and add any extra spices you feel fit. Then all that's left to do is grab a bowl and ladle this dish. Now this is the perfect bowl to warm you up. Now obviously there's a lot of spice in this dish, but the sweetness from our bell peppers work really well to counter that and make it an overall really warming dish. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what your favorite soups are down in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Let's try and look and see what the cool cat's doing.
Kiwi? Hi.
Hi, Kiwi.
That is a cool cat.